Do you also think salads are boring? Wait till you try this one. Sweet mango, buttery avocado and juicy prawns with a zesty dressing all in one bite. This is a perfect summer bowl packed with flavor, protein and healthy fat. Great for your skin, your gut and your taste buds. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where food is always colorful, fresh and full of stories. Today we are making tropical inspired prawns, mango and avocado salad that comes together in minutes.
I wish I could give you up, but you're my new favorite drug. Enter into my blood, run with my toxic love. Look how you make me happy. You take a hold of me. You take a hold of I wish I could give you up, but you're my new favorite drug. Enter into my blood, run with my toxic love. Look how you make me happy. You take a hold of me. You take a hold of me. You take a hold of me. Look how you make me. I wish I could give you up, but you're my new favorite drug. Enter into my blood, run with my toxic love.
If you love this recipe, hit the like button, share this recipe with your family and friends, and most important thing, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious and healthy recipes. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.